In 1990, the South Korean automobile industry started to take a leap toward the world. gunyangITT started business with 3 young engineers. We took the first step into the automobile interior part machine business with the goal of creating the world's best technology-oriented company. As a pioneer in the barren automotive interior machine industry in Korea, gunyangITT had to first step into the overseas market with success in exports to Poland, and was finally awarded the $1 million export tower 13 years after its foundation in November 2003. It took a dominant position as a leading technology company. gunyangITT also established an e-biz team and developed an unprecedented creative business concept. It acquired 2 business model patents and founded a subsidiary, Gunyang TrueNet Company Limited, in 2007. Under our belief that the competitiveness of industrial machinery market comes from innovative technology, gunyangITT has realized high-tech modernization through consistent R&D. We also earned the Korean 2011 Presidential Venture Enterprise Award and the $5 million export tower. In addition, gunyangITT relocated to Miam Industrial Complex in October 2014 and proclaimed its second business era. And we began taking on new challenges for the future. gunyangITT started to lead machinery technology in South Korea 10 years after its foundation with steady and diligent trust, and achieved the outstanding result of localizing foreign advanced technology, which had seemed impossible. gunyangITT always thought what the customer wants, what makes masterpieces, and what makes brand value. gunyangITT is asking numerous questions, creating new innovation. gunyangITT is never satisfied with its current achievements. We are making the new world Gunyang dreams of by continuing research and development, heightening the reliability, productivity, and convenience of machinery by establishing an R&D center. The product function inspection carried out until the last step of the production process also shows off the philosophy of gunyangITT, considering quality as the most important value. This is our criterion for quality. gunyangITT believes that only happy workers are able to make masterpiece machinery. Gunyang pursues its workers' achievements and happiness, along with customer satisfaction and harmony, based on the vision that the workers can make masterpiece products, impressing customers by becoming good people. Value management of heading in one direction by recognizing and sharing the vision of the company and the value of work. System management pursuing overall integrity and efficiency in work. And with the autonomous management leading and taking responsibility, we are carrying out future-oriented management. gunyangITT is aware that a healthy company culture promotes happy and creative human resources. By enhancing the autonomous character and creativity of workers, with autonomy and responsibility, and to understand, respect, and cooperate with communication and caring, we pursue variety and fun to create a company where workers are able to live and work happily. A leader among South Korean corporations in the automobile interior component machinery industry. Remembering the second business era to achieve 10% of the global market share in 2020. gunyangITT, will run with the same goal with enormous dreams.